I'm going to be recording my unboxing of my fidget cube that I got. So let's do that. So I picked it up at the post office today and I've been waiting to open it. So I'm excited to do that now. Moment of truth. Dun dun dun! Okay, so here's my cube. And I got the prism cover thingy for it also. And there's a little packing slip. So I'm going to open up the prism first.
Neat prism. Keep your fidget cube nearby all times with prism. Prism wraps around your fidget cube and can be used with or without the included keychain attachment.
I got the aqua blue. If I can get this open. Oh, I ripped it. Oh well. And I ripped it more. Ooh, it's really squishy. Honestly, this would be fun enough to play with on its own almost. Okay, now I'm going to open my fidget cube and it comes in bubble wrap. It says, this bubble wrap kept your fidget cube safe on its journey to you. Take a moment to treat yourself to pop a few. So I shall. Now it's time to open it. It comes looking like this, and I think it got kind of disheveled in shipping, but oh well. Let's open it. It opened! Comes with a cute little bag that says Antsy Labs. It's got a little ant on it. And then has little directions on it. And there's a thing it's stuck to. Got it off.
Hard to peel this sticky thing off.
There we go, I got it off. Okay. So this part is kind of like little joystick rolly thing. Pretty fun. Then this one's clicky. It's like a little light switch. But if you hold on to it, you can play with it a bit quieter. Ooh, this part's fun. Kind of a little disc that just rolls around. Makes a kind of clicky noise. Oh, stopped rolling. Oh, there it goes. And then we've got this rollerball part. This is the part I was most excited for because you can kind of just roll around and it clicks. Huh? Rolls around, it clicks, and it's fun. And these kind of just roll around. There's 3 of them. These ones click like pens. And then these ones you can kind of just push in quieter. And wait, is there? Oh, and then there's this one for kind of just rubbing it. But I feel like I'd just hold it here and then play with the other ones with my other fingers. So, I think I covered all the sides. It's pretty exciting. And now I want to try putting this on.
See how we can squeeze it in there. Try not to rip anything. Almost there.
There we go. It kind of looks like on here there's a little spot for your rollerball, which I guess I put it on right then, so it kind of dips down to give your little rollerball some room. This part's the most fun. Let's see how well it fits in this little baggie too. Oh, I dropped it! Probably won't really use the bag much, but it's cute. Cute to have. You can still kind of play with it inside the bag still. Okay. And also, as a bonus, in addition to my fidget cube for my video, I got at the store today one of these Tsum Tsum mystery packs. And whenever I go, I always try and guess which one's inside. And so far, I've never been wrong. And I'm pretty sure this one's going to be the Alice one. I haven't opened it at all. You can see there's no damage at all to the packaging. So I'm going to open it and we'll see which one it is. And we got an Alice! Oh, it comes in a baggie.
Try putting these pieces together.
This is her stand, I think. It's a little bottle that says "Drink Me" on the note. Goes together pretty easy. It's really cute. It's got a little bow on there too. And then we have Alice. She's pretty cute. She's got her little skirt and a bow. And then this is like the top of the top of the bottle. And in the picture on the back, don't know if you'll be able to see it, but in the picture on the back, right there, probably blurry, shows how she's supposed to kind of sit on it. And then the little ball top goes on top like that, I think. So, pretty cute. So, if you guys would like me to do more videos with unboxing these and trying to guess which ones are which, then comment down below and let me know. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a like. And if you guys are interested in any other kinds of videos, just let me know and I'll see what I can do. Okay?